biggest challenge facing our country on the path of development is the slow pace of project implementation. There are certain mega projects that lie caught in red tapes. First thing is, it will take long time for people to benefit from such schemes. Second thing is, the longer the implementation period, the higher the cost. Even if it is a day late, expense will be in lakhs or crores. For speedy progress, all initiatives, whether it is large or small, must be finished on schedule. In this context, we have to understand what is the meaning of project. A project is defined as a sequence of tasks that must be completed to attain a certain outcome. According to the Project Management Institute, the term project refers to any temporary endeavor with a definite beginning and end. Simply, a project is a set of tasks that must be completed in order to arrive at a particular goal or outcome. Depending on the size and scope of the project, these tasks may be simple or elaborate. But all the projects can be broken down into objectives and what needs to be done to achieve them. You just think about all the tasks you encounter every day, both at work and your personal life. At work, you might create or contribute to an output like a report, a website, a tool or product, or even a building. At home, you might make a meal, plan a vacation, or even work on some improvements at your home. These are just a few examples of true tasks or projects that have a defined start and end date. It also have a scope, a goal and resources. And they all require some level of management. So project management is the use of specific knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to deliver something of value to people. In simple terms, project management is the process of leading a team to attain goals or complete a result within a set time limit.